Welcome to the demo video of CartCash. Before I jump into this demo video, I would like to first start by saying thank you for purchasing CartCash. And as you already know, CartCash is the world's first WhatsApp online store. So in this video, I'll be giving you a brief explanation on how CartCash works. So this is the basic general layout of CartCash. So I'm just going to sign in. Once you're signed in, you will be able to see your dashboard. Your dashboard should look something like this, in which you'll be able to see the QR image as well as the link to your store, homepage link, where you can sell your products and offers. Um, so your dashboard will show you basically statistics of the total products as well as showing the total sales and total orders. Also, you'll be able to see the best-selling products from your list, and you will also be able to see recent purchases from your customers. Another feature of CartCash is store analytics. In this section is where you'll be able to see the traffic stats and all other details, analytical details. So as you can see on my screen, you'll be able to see the visitors that come to your sales page, as well as the top URLs, browsers, devices, and platforms. Also, we would like to suggest that this account that I'm using is a brand new account, so there hasn't been any sales made yet. The next feature is the products. So in this section is basically where you can add your products. So to basically add your products, you just need to click on add, and then you just need to add the product name. So for now, I'm just going to show you an example. I'd already created one called home controller. So when you press add, it will show you a layout like this, in which you just have to type in the name, choose the category, product category. You have to also choose the price you want to set, as well as the quantity of the commodity that is available with you. And also you can choose whether you want to display the product image or not. You can also add cover images as well as different product images. And then if you go bottom down, you can add the product description. So in this product description, it's very nice. It would be good to mention the product name. Then you can write down the quantity, the tax, the SKU details, as well as you can do that. So this is basic. So once you have completed the general info about the product, you just have to press save, and your product will be automatically saved. So this is basically how you can add your own products into CartCash. Now let's go to the next feature, which is product category. This is basically where you can create your own separate categories for your own product. So as you can see, I've already created two categories, one electronic and one software. So if I want, I can create a new category in health and fitness, so that I can create products related to, if I have products related to that, I can categorize my products based on health and fitness. So the next feature is the product tax. So this is basically where you can add all the tax details for the products, including the goods and service tax and all the taxation. So for that, it's very simple. As you can see on my screen, you just need to click on create new product tax, enter the tax name as well as the rate of the tax. Next feature is the product coupon. So this is basically where you can create custom coupons to boost your sales during particular festival times or holiday seasons. And might I suggest that more discounts will get you more sales using this feature. So to basically add customized coupons, you just need to click on add coupons, enter the name of the coupon you want to use. You can also choose whether if it's a flat discount or not. You can also enter the limit, how many times the person can use. You can also, if you want, you can generate different codes for different coupons. So that way the coupons are unique and not similar. And the next feature of CartCash is shipping. So in this section is where you'll be able to see your customers' orders, which all locations you have to send the products to, as well as where all which all places from which people you will also be able to statistically see from which places people are buying your product from. And the next feature is orders. So basically, in this is where you'll be seeing customer order product details will be displayed in this section, and your customer product shipping address will be displayed over there. After they have ordered the product, then all the details available will be in this section. As you can see here, someone had ordered on July 29th, and the value was 300, and the payment was through WhatsApp. So, and we can see even the order number. So you can basically track what all orders are happening in CartCash in your order section. And if you want to personally customize your store, you just need to go to store settings, and then you can add in all your store details. So this is basically here. So as you can see, I can put in my company's logo if I want. I can even choose an invoice logo. I can change the store name to whatever name of your store you want. You can even choose the email address you want to display for your store. You can also choose the tagline, the city, zip code. So you can basically set up your own virtual store using CartCash, and you can even add an about section about your own store, what you guys do, what you guys provide, what all things are available, and you can even choose whether shipping methods are available or not. So this is the general settings, and then you can go to the site settings, and once you go to site settings, you can choose the size settings as well as the stored payments. So you can choose the type of currency you want to put in on your store, as well as the type of payment. Also, you can store email settings as well, and you can also set your WhatsApp messaging settings as well. So basically, you can basically operate your virtual store using CartCash and make money as well. I hope you guys understood this demo video. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. See you guys soon.